Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the methods of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this video we would be learning cross multiplication method and we would see how this method is applied. So let's go through the concept. To understand this method, let us take equations. We have 8x plus 5y equals to 9. Second equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 4. Step number 1 would be put it in journal form. Journal form means bring the constants to the other end. So this can be written as 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. Equation number 1. And second equation would be, this is how equation 2. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is 0. Now, how do we apply this method? We would be writing some numbers below x because we are going to find out the values for x and y. But over here we have x, y and a constant as well. So for constant we write 1. Now the most important step is this. In denominator of x, for y and for 1, what needs to be written? It's very important. When you are writing for x, you need to just hide this x. Okay? Hide x. Write whatever we have for variable y and a constant. I'm talking about numerical coefficients. So it is below x we would be writing 5, 2, then minus 9, minus 4. Okay. So for y and a constant below x. So x is done. 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4. Below x, this is what we would be writing. Below y, hide y, right? Now hide whatever we have for y. Below y, we need to move in the same sequence. This would be minus 9, minus 4. Okay, minus 9, minus 4. Then comes 8 and 3. And finally comes a constant. So hide this constant, move in a sequence is this, it's 8, 3. When I say sequence, you need to remember that wherever we had halted, we need to move from the same step. Like for x, we were writing 5, 2, minus 9, 4. So it ended at minus 9, minus 4. So for the next variable y, we would begin from minus 9, minus 4 and then comes, look at this, for y we began from minus 9, minus 4, then came this x. And for a constant, we ended up, for y we ended up with 8, 3. तो constant के लिए हमें क्या करना है? We would begin from 8, 3 and then comes 5, 2. Our next step would be cross multiplication now actually comes. You would see I would be making arrows. 5 would be multiplied by minus 4. Okay. And then in between there would be a negative sign, then product of these two. And it follows across all. So we begin from the left top and then we write the next set of numbers. Let's see what do we get. 5 into minus 4 would be minus 20. Then comes minus in denominator minus 18. Okay, x is over. Now let's write for y. Minus 9 into 3 would be minus 27. In between we need to write negative and then 8 into minus 4 would be minus 32. Then express the numbers, look for the product and then difference of those products. 16, okay, 8 into 2, 16 minus 5 into 3, 15. Next step would be just simplify. Minus 20 plus 18 would be minus 2. Minus 27 plus 32 would be positive 5. And this is 1 upon 1. Now, I'm sure you must be able to understand till here. Now, when we are looking for the value of x, take x and this constant. So, can I say x by 2 minus 2 is 1 and x becomes minus 2? That's how you get the value for x. And similarly for y, can we say that this y by 5 would also be, check from here, y by 5 is also equated to 1 by 1 and hence y becomes 5. So this is how cross multiplication would be applied and we would find the values for x and y. The trick to remember is, there's a way, we can write this as 1, this is taken as 2, this is taken as 3. So it's 2, 3, 1, 2. Remember this method. When I say 2, 3, 1, 2, second and third are multiplied. For x we are multiplying, x के लिए we are multiplying second and third. For y we are multiplying third by 1, third, okay, that's how sequence यही बनेगा ना, third would come first and then would be followed by 1, 3, 1, and then comes 1, 2, 1, 2, which is 8, 3 and 5, 2. 1, 2 is for constant. So 2, 3, 1, 2. I'm sure this would help you, and check this step. And most important thing, whenever you are applying cross multiplication, put all these numbers, variables and constants on one end and equate it to 0.